Hello to all my lovely students. Welcome again in Megha Ma'am's channel. And as you all know that I have recently started one of the most important and refreshing topic related to ray diagrams in physics. And in my previous video, you can easily see that concave mirror ray diagrams has been already started. So there are total 6 cases in that, and in my previous video case number 1 and 2 has been already discussed. So as you can see right now in my this beautiful sheet of paper, I have written case 3 and case 4, and these two are concave mirrors because right now we have started the series for concave mirror. Okay, so now without time wastage, let's get started. So in case number 3, you can easily see that object is at center of curvature. So what is the exact position of object? You can see it is placed at center of curvature at point C. Okay, and in community vlog also, post also, I have shared the rules in the form of picture so that you can remember and summarize all the rules. So object is AB. I have written here object AB, which is placed at point C. Okay, so as per the rule number 1, what is rule number 1 for the ray diagrams? That this object will emit a ray of light, and this ray of light will go towards this mirror. Okay, and this left side of the mirror, which is actually a cave like structure, is the reflecting part, and this shaded part is the non-reflecting part. So when this ray of light will come from the object and strike towards the reflecting part of the concave mirror, and one more thing, I hope you have remembered that this ray of light is also parallel to the principal axis. So what will happen as per the rules? This ray of light will strike and reflection will occur, and this will passes through focus. Again see, this ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis is now strikes the mirror and passes through focus. Okay, this is rule number 1. And as per the rule number 2, the light must pass through center of curvature. लेकिन यहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट ऑलरेडी सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर पे ही रखा हुआ है. सो नाउ द थर्ड रूल इज एप्लीकेबल इन दिस केस, एंड व्हाट इज दैट? नाउ अगेन वन मोर लाइट रे और वन मोर रे ऑफ लाइट फ्रॉम द ऑब्जेक्ट विल कम like this. You can see this ray. It will passes through focus now. It will passes through focus, and this ray of light now strikes with the mirror, and this will become parallel to the principal axis. So two opposite rules are applicable here. Now this line is parallel to principal axis. What is principal axis? Where this P, F and C is actually pointed. And now you can see this phenomena or this part where actually you can see the intersection occurs. This part is called the image formation part. Why this is image formation part? Because here the ray of light which is coming from the object passes through focus, meets here, and the light coming from the object passes through focus, becomes parallel to the principal axis, again meets. Okay, so this is the intersection point. So this particular area is called image formation area. Okay, that's why I have written A dash, B dash. So now quickly see some important characteristics of the image. The image is real image. Why it is real image? Because it is formed in front of the mirror. Mirror के सामने बन रही है, mirror के पीछे नहीं. It is inverted image. Again the same logic. Object ऐसा है, image inverted है. Okay, you can see object is this in the form of AB, and image is inverted, this one. So inverted image. And now look at this. Image is exactly the same size as the object. You can easily see AB, the size of AB. I hope it is clear to all of you. sorry for the disturbance. Yes, now you can see that AB is exactly same as A dash B dash. दोनों का साइज सेम है, इसीलिए यहाँ लिखा हुआ है image is exactly the same size as the object. And the last part, at C. बन कहाँ पर रही है इमेज, कौन सी जगह पर बन रही है, व्हाट इज़ द पोजीशन, पोजीशन इज सी ओनली. सी पे ही ऑब्जेक्ट था और सी पे ही बन गई, इसीलिए यहाँ पर लिखा है एट सी विच इज़ सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. सो आई होप केस नंबर 3 इज क्लियरली understood by you people, and if not there is no problem, comment section is for you, you can write your doubts. Now quickly move towards case number 4, and as per case number 4 जल्दी से देखेंगे ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ रखा है. Object is between center of curvature and focus. Now please see this principal axis. Object रखा हुआ है अब C और F के बीच में. That's why I have written between center of curvature and focus. C और F के बीच में object रखा हुआ है. Object का नाम AB है. You can see here, and it is actually between C and F. I hope F is visible to you. Yes, that's perfectly fine. Between C and F. And जल्दी से देखते हैं which like what kind of rules are applicable here. So you can see object is AB. One ray of light will come from AB. This will strike the mirror. This, see the direction. All the arrows are very important. It is very important to apply all the arrows. Now look at this. This is the ray of light coming from the object. And what is the rule number 1? This ray of light coming from the object parallel to the principal axis will pass through focus. ये फर्स्ट केस, थर्ड केस में भी हुआ, फर्स्ट में भी हुआ था, सेकेंड में भी हुआ था. एंड नाउ यू कैन सी द सेकेंड केस इज, सेकेंड रूल इज दैट वन रे ऑफ लाइट फ्रॉम द ऑब्जेक्ट will pass through center of curvature, this, and whenever any light passes through center of curvature it will reflect back through the same path. तो इसीलिए C वाली लाइन पे देखिए एरो दोनों हैं, इधर ये this arrow also means light ray is going towards the mirror, and this arrow also means light ray is coming from the mirror. Okay, so now you can see the intersection point. देखो कहाँ पर हो रहा है, यहाँ पर हो रहा है. This is the intersection point जहाँ पर C वाली ray of light भी आई है, फोकस से पास होने वाली भी आई है, and it is intersection point, and that's why image is formed here, A dash B dash. And now like you can easily see the ray diagram, and with the help of ray diagram only you can now find out the various characteristics of the image formed. See, देखिए खुद से देखिए, which image, real image. Why? Because it is formed in front of the mirror. mirror के सामने बनी हुई है, पीछे नहीं है, सामने ही है, इसलिए रियल इमेज है. इन्वर्टेड इमेज, सेम केस, ऑब्जेक्ट की डायरेक्शन अपवर्ड है और इमेज की डायरेक्शन डाउनवर्ड है, तो उल्टी इमेज बनी है, इन्वर्टेड. एंड मैग्नीफाइड इमेज, वाई द इमेज इज मैग्नीफाइड, बिकॉज देखो ऑब्जेक्ट का साइज छोटा है, ए बी इज कंपैरेटिवली स्मॉलर, एंड ए डैश बी डैश जो बना है दैट इज कंपैरेटिवली बिगर, सो दैट्स वाई जो इमेज है वो मैग्नीफाइड इमेज है, लार्जर देन ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, और जल्दी से पोजीशन देखते हैं. बियॉन्ड सी कहाँ पर बनी है, सी के पीछे बनी है जाके, यहाँ देखिए सी पे ही बनी थी, एंड यहाँ पर सी के पीछे एट द बैक साइड, बियॉन्ड सी. सो दैट्स वाई आई हैव रिटन बियॉन्ड सी. So these are the 4 very important case related to concave mirror, and if you have understood concave mirror now, the same is applicable for convex mirror and the remaining 2 lenses. But हम कोई जल्दी नहीं करेंगे. I hope it is clear to all. Case number 5 के लिए please stay connected with the next video, and I am so glad that you people are very much sincere एंड आप अच्छे से पढ़ रहे हो, और प्लीज़ अपने डाउट्स पूछिए. आई एम ऑलवेज रेडी टू हेल्प. टिल देन, थैंक यू सो मच. बाय बाय.